All right, guys, welcome to another interview with one of my Forex Automation clients. His name is Garth. How you doing, man?
Hi, Andrei. Yeah, good. Thank you very much. How are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. So I finally got you on this interview. We got plenty of clients rolling in our program, and Garth was kind enough to come down and talk to us, talk to me, talk to you guys about his experience in our program, and yeah, share a couple thoughts and yeah, your personal experience on the program, what you're thinking, and how much money you've made already. Let's kind of talk about it because yeah, just go ahead. I'll let you. I'll let you. Where are you from, by the way?
Yeah, I'm from Wales, Cardiff. It's the home nation in the UK that everyone forgets about. It's the one next to England.
Yeah, I know Wales very well. I have said where where I've been to Wales in the previous recording. We tried to do, but I'm not going to do it right now again because it's going to sound a little bit funny. So, but yeah, I got family in Lantree, Wales. So yeah, but basically, yeah. Go ahead, man. Tell us how's your experience been? You've joined that program when? Like we're recording this on the
Yeah, so
May 2024. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So I joined in January. Joined the Forex program in January. I think I put in just $100 to start with for a week,
Yep.
just to get comfortable with the program, see how it all worked, make sure it was like legit and
Not a scam.
um, which it is. It's all fine. It's all good. Um, and then I could just see, well, if it's working with $100, why wouldn't it work with $1,000 or $10,000 or
That's what I tell everyone. You have
like
nothing to lose.
exactly,
Trip to
exactly.
restaurant, trip to a restaurant. Just invest, see if it's working. You see if it's not a gimmick. And I don't put my name into anything that is shady anyway. Go ahead.
Yeah. So once I was comfortable with it, I invested. Um, I think it
You
was
pull a lot of
thirty
money in straight
thirty
away,
four
man.
thousand dollars.
How much?
I think I put in $34,000.
You've pulled a lot of money in straight away. That's not a typical client we have. Usually people go like by 500 increments and stuff, but you've put a lot of money in.
Yeah, I jumped in two-footed, I guess. But I could see like I'm good with numbers, and I can just see like if it's working with $100, it's just a multiplier, so it's going to multiply more. Um,
And even if it's
so
working right now, you might as well go and grab that chance and make money right now.
exactly. I was thinking, that
You're a risker. You're a risker.
I am a risk taker, yeah.
That's good.
But again, my thoughts was if I don't put it in today, then I'm going to be losing that potential money like today. So I thought I've got the money there, so and it was just sat in a bank account, earning something rubbish like 3%
Yeah,
interest.
we're not spending you that money for the Amazon automation because we're growing you steadily as well. Garth is our Amazon automation client, by the way, too. But we're not speaking about that. So, yeah,
Yeah, so that money wasn't doing anything. So I thought, right, this is a brilliant opportunity um, here just to get a great return. And yeah, like I can only be positive about the whole experience. It was simple to set up the accounts, simple to deposit the funds in. Um, like you just put the money in. There's no like I don't have to do anything. It's just sat in the account. Um, I think I put in an emoji a couple of weeks ago. It was just money printing.
yeah. So we can make this clear to the people. This is not some kind of a magic opportunity. Basically, just a little bit of a minute of me talking about it. What we offer is basically a closed circle of a forex trading bot, which is made by my partner, who is a experienced long time trader. And we're not sharing our secrets. Like we don't teach Garth how to trade. We don't sell signals. We plug you in. In fact, we're keeping all the secrets to ourselves. We're keeping all the everything to ourselves, and we just share a link to the copy trading that people take a part of, and they're making a 50% from all the trades that we're making, on their money, and they pay us a 50% commission. That's what Garth has been doing. We have different bots. Garth has been running it on aggressive bot of ourselves. And how much you made? How much you made and in which time frame? Because I think I have a very nice juicy screenshot coming from you, and I think it's all over my Forex Automation Telegram channel, which is very nice. It kind of gives people motivation and the perspective what they can be making. You made a lot of money, right?
Yeah, I withdrew 15,000 within 6 weeks.
50
Um,
weeks.
yeah, yeah.
Profit.
So I think the profit was about 10.
You made 10 grand in 6 weeks.
Yeah, yeah.
When did you? There were no problems with withdrawing money, like people asking me, Andre.
The no problems at all. Apart from like you need two passwords on your account. I got a little bit
Oh
confused
yeah, oh
with,
yeah.
but
Protection,
there was
protection,
like
protection.
that was my problem. I
No,
didn't
no, no. But yeah, just
the
protection. That's just pure protection.
password. But no,
Yeah.
like once I remembered the password, I put it in. The money was in the account the next morning, and I was like, oh wow, like
Yeah, well,
it was
just
super
so obviously
fast.
the trade the broker we're using is not a scam or anything. Obviously, it's actually number one broker in the world. So, you know, you made that, and how you took out some money, and now how much you have rolling roughly in your account, and what are you making? What are you making in percent wise per month?
Yeah, so I took out um another 15. I haven't worked it out actually for a while.
But let's say you've put in this much, you've took out this much, and you have this much in the balance. How much
yeah,
would you
so
say you made? How much would you say you made since January 2024?
yeah, I think it's about 16,000.
You
It
made
must be. Yeah, yeah,
in
clean profit.
in just shy of 4 months. Yeah, 4 months, 16 grand. Good.
Yeah, the account still got $30,000 dollars in there.
Yeah,
So basically the plan is to just every time it runs up 10,000 is just to take the 10,000 out and
and
just
you'll just keep all your profit in there, and if something happens, which never really happens, okay, we have risk management in place, and we tell people there's 1% of a risk if the market like collapses. If something like God forbid, like a war starts or whatever, that's something that can happen. We have everything measured, and we recommend people having a drawdown, like 100% drawdown. 100% of the balance, of the budget of the money held in case of a drawdown as well. And Garth knows about that. It's called money management.
yeah, I've got the funds elsewhere, so yeah, like it's all well and good. I don't, but obviously because of that, I don't want the account to grow too big because I
Yeah,
need the funds
if you're gonna have
elsewhere.
50 grand,
So,
yeah, if you're gonna keep all your profit in there, if you have a 50 grand, you need to have 50 grand in your pocket just in case. Though I will say in 2 years' time, we only had one drawdown, and that was just 30% maximum. Just one drawdown was 30%, and that's it. We keep having little drawdowns, which is part of the business, part of the game, just for people to know, especially if they're experienced Forex traders and they know how the market works, the stock market works, and that's what you can expect. Don't do crypto though, guys. Crypto is a different game.
yeah.
Um, what else do
Yeah,
you want to do?
even with the so that 50% um that the team takes, like even I don't have to do anything with that. Like that's all automatic and it's they just take it automatically. So literally all I do out of interest on a daily basis is just open up the app and I see how it's going. Usually at the end of the day, about 8, 9 o'clock, see like what percentages made for the day and like but if I had like zero time whatsoever, I don't have to do that. That's just on me. I like to
Yeah,
know what's going on.
I usually check once per week myself.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
So,
on Saturdays they update the portfolio, and that's when they pay that you get paid basically from the commissions and stuff. So yeah, it's just pretty insane. So
I think
uh
it's a great product you got there. Yeah, I can't recommend it highly enough to everyone. Like, and if people are thinking, "Oh, is it legit? Should I do it?" Like, absolutely, you should do it. Like, right this second, the moment you see this video, you should put in and just from a risk point of view, just have that like 50% money somewhere else so you can put in just in case anything happens. But like, please, like, get involved in this because like if you've got the money to invest somewhere, like invest it here
Yeah.
now. Don't wait around.
Yeah, and I'm only
Just
doing this interview just to have people an extra assurance because we have hundreds of testimonials. I don't need to promote this any further. Well, I do actually because it's a life-changing opportunity. We're all making money and we're sharing this because we can make money from people, and obviously that's why we're providing the service. People often asking, why, Andre, why are you sharing this and why are you not just making money yourselves? Well, let's put it this way. I mean, you can't have tens of twenties and hundreds of $1 million in your account and running it all by yourself. It's called risk diversification as well, by using other people's money, and we brutally honest with that. We're giving people opportunities to make money while we're making money from them as well. It's just normal. It's a business, for God's sake. But as long as you have a good and solid structure, like I have on Amazon and like we have on Forex right now, this is the key. It's working. It's not going anywhere.
literally the money that this forex makes me allows me not to work a job like a 9 to 5. Like
That
it's massive. It's huge. Like
that's strong. That's strong. Yeah, like 4K per month, and you can live. Like you
yeah,
can live. Yeah, you can live. Yeah, and we will have this. The thing is, I even spoke to my partner. Like we met, and obviously we're good friends and stuff, and we're in this together for 2.5 years, and this is not going anywhere. Like it's just a working horse. Crypto is a roller coaster. Forex, it's been there since Wall Street. For 100+ years. It's not going anywhere unless the economy collapses, unless the world will turn upside down. Then yeah, maybe something I don't know, but no.
don't let
Everyone,
the aliens come.
what?
Don't let the aliens come.
The aliens come. Yeah, the aliens is the worst. Yeah, this is the worst. Well, they've not been coming to us for the past 80 years since Roswell incident, right? So, this is we're all fine on that one. So, this I guess there's really nothing else to say there, Garth, right? We're just recommending get people on board. You're making good money, being sensible with your budget. What
Yeah.
else? What else can we finish this with?
Oh, just it's just a pleasure working with you and your team and Igor and we're just in a little chat in Telegram and it's easy
Yeah,
and
that's
any
it.
questions like you guys are always there with the answers, being supportive and
Yeah, especially with the clients that are having a lot of money invested in ourselves. Because time is money. We actually have like a lot of people that are starting with $100 and it's only $100 to begin. Like they're the ones that are asking too many questions all the time. This is just the way it works. And the people like Garth who are serious entrepreneurs, because Garth is an entrepreneur himself, are just straight at it, risk takers and measured risk takers, and they just making money and that's it. And he's been doing it and he will do it for years to come, I'm sure. We've been running this program for. We actually started with a bot system. We still have them, which is like $5,000 minimum. We installed the manual bots, but this copy trading system right now we've been running for a good year right now, year and a half. It's just crazy, and $100, like nothing to lose. Just go in, test the system, right?
yeah, just give it a week. Just give it a week with $100 like I did. Just look at the maths and then just multiply with what you can afford to put in and do the math and just figure it out. And
Most people will still think that, oh, this week went fine, the next week could be a loss. So you're a risk taker. You're a real entrepreneur. Like putting a lot of money in straight away, it's risky. I probably wouldn't do that myself, even though I don't care. I always go in myself too, and you know, I think that's the way. You should just take an opportunity. We live once as well. Should be making more money right now on the spot, and yeah. Anyway, pleasure chatting to you, man. It was a nice open interview, and I'll get this posted, and we'll get more people on board hopefully, so they can go and take actions.
yeah,
Right.
absolutely, man. Take
Thanks,
care.
Garth. I'll finish this
Worries,
recording
man.
now. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Let's get this recording paused.